What is the quantum biology of sound? Let's get into this. This is the fourth video in a series of 5 on what I call the pillars of quantum biology. We're looking at how quantum particles impact our biology. Now, not everyone would agree with my definition of quantum biology, but when we look at sound, what we're talking about are pressure waves. And these pressure waves consist of quanta of phonons that come from sound. And these pressure waves interact through a medium, through the air with the acoustics that we hear with our ears, or through water or our cellular matrix and the water within us. Now, cymatics is the study of how different frequencies of sound can organize matter. It was Hans Jenning who first started looking at cymatic patterns. He was looking at metallic plates, and he would cover them with sand or different materials, and he would play different frequencies, and he would see these beautiful mandala shapes appear on that metal plate in reaction to these different frequencies of sound. Now, John Stuart Reid is an acoustic physicist and the inventor of the cymoscope, and he has continued this research into cymatics and really brought it into a relationship of how sound impacts our biology. And he's found some incredible things, that sound is absolutely vital to our nervous system, to our cardiovascular system, and the oxygenation of our body, as well as our cellular health. It's absolutely incredible when you look at how sound impacts our biology. We know that it also has an impact on our mitochondrial function, our vagus nerve, as well as our hormonal state and the state of different cellular signals throughout the body. Now, when we're looking at the different molecules, the different elements in the periodic table of elements, we can see that each element has its own frequency, and we can turn that into an actual audible frequency, a hertz. And many researchers have done this, and they've found incredible things on how our cells, how our different organs respond to these frequencies. It's absolutely incredible. I think it deserves more attention, more funding and research, because the idea that the resonant frequency of an organ, of a tissue, of a cell can be matched to that of a frequency of sound and be used to either eradicate unhealthy cells or promote and support those healthy cells and organs in the body is absolutely incredible. There have been many researchers out there that have aligned different frequencies of sound with a cellular frequency and a cellular response. We know that high intensity focused ultrasound is now being used to successfully treat liver cancer, pancreatic cancer, as well as prostate cancer. And the hope of it being used for future cancers is very real. This is a non-invasive way to affect our biology. And this is just a few examples of how sound can impact our body, because what we're talking about is a frequency language in the body that responds to different frequencies of sound, of light, of electromagnetic frequency. It's an incredible realm of research, and it's an incredible tool that we have that can support overall health and wellness. So I would say that this interaction of sound on biological living systems, our body, our human body, is vital to our understanding of how to approach health from a non-invasive way, from a understanding of how to utilize these pillars of quantum biology, light, water, sound, and frequency, and how they can have a foundational impact on our state of health, our state of inflammation, hormonal health, our organ systems, and how they're functioning. It's absolutely incredible. If you like this content, make sure you subscribe, give a like down below, let me know your experiences and questions with sound, and stay tuned for the 5th and final video all about the quantum biology of frequency. Thank you so much for joining me.